Today we're going to be unboxing the new 2020 11-inch iPad Pro. So let's just get to it. No fuss. So there's a wrap around it. Here comes with a tab to just open it up. There's this. It's a little bit tight, which is a good thing for packaging. I'm going to wiggle it around a little bit. And here you go. First things first, you will see the iPad. There's another tab here to just pull it up easily. I'm going to lay it on the side. Let's see what else is in the box. So you got the charger and the cable. I heard starting from iPad 12, they're not going to be shipping these things in the box. What's in here? It's just a bunch of manuals and warranty information. Of course, you got this Apple stickers, and hey, looks like I think that's it. I'm gonna lay these on the side, get back to him later. I got the Magic keyboard as well. There are a lot of other replacements for Magic keyboard. It didn't have to be this. I just went with this because I didn't want a huge case around my iPad. I thought that would just spoil the look, and this would do the job good enough. Feels pretty nice. Oh, it's already catching fingerprints. I don't know if the camera is catching it or not, but it does feel like a fingerprint magnet. And then you have your manuals. Again, some product information, looks like. Some information about the Magic keyboard, where it's going to hook up to the cable, and how to install it, and how to fix it. Stuff like that. Important stuff for later. The keyboard does not come with the iPad, the Apple sticker. So if that's something you're looking forward to, you're not going to get it. But you can see the Apple logo in here. And finally, the Apple Pencil. By the way, I brought this thinking that I'll need this to open all of these boxes up, but fortunately I didn't. Maybe I'll need to use that for the Apple Pencil. Oh, never mind. Here's the tab. And there's a pull tab. Again, the product information. Just some basic info about how to charge it, looks like. Bunch of manual warranty information, how to contact them if anything goes wrong, in all sorts of different languages. Yeah, and that's it. It does come with it's got a nice matte finish, and yeah, go back in the box. Back to your iPad. Ta-da! I'll be turning it on, going through this, and I'll be posting another update later on. Thank you for watching. See you guys later.